Okay, sorry about the quality of this video, but I just wanted to talk about lighting. So with shading, we're going to really make sure that we pop out the white parts first. So I know this back wing is really bright, especially right here. So just so I remember that it's supposed to be white, I'm outlining kind of around where the brightest areas are. And so when we are shading on black paper, we're kind of shading in reverse. So that means like the darkest parts are going to be this and this. And to make it the darkest, that means we are actually pressing lightest. So when I want it to be pretty dark, I'm going to make sure I hold my pencil at the very end and I am barely kind of touching the paper because I do not want the color to be too white. Instead, I want it to be darker, just like that is. So again, since it's black paper, to get it darker, I need to press lighter. So opposite of what you normally do. And then when I want something to be a lot lighter, I'm gonna press a little bit harder. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm shading just like you guys have always learned how to shade, which is using small circles. When we want to shade and press down a little harder, you're holding your pencil a little more up. When you want it to be really bright and white, you are going to hold your pencil straight up. So the lighter you want it to be, the more you hold your end of your pencil. The darker, the more you hold towards the tip of your pencil. So since I want it to be kind of like a medium white color here, I'm holding the middle of my pencil and I'm using my small circles and just kind of shading in, really paying attention to what's in front of me. So I'm wanting that wing to be more light on this side and a little darker on this side. So I'm really paying attention to that. And I also popped out the highlight. Do you see that really white line there? That's why I made it so bright white right here as well. So we're gonna have to really pay attention to what we are seeing. I'm gonna make sure I kind of fade from light to dark right here. And then we can see that bright kind of line in between. So today is all about observation, and it's about holding our pencil correctly and shading. So let me know if you need help. Please practice on the back if you feel like you're struggling. Again, the biggest thing is holding your pencil on the end and pressing super lightly wherever it needs to be like a darker color or darker shade. That's where we're barely touching our paper. So some people really like shading in reverse like this. Some people struggle. So let me know how you guys feel about shading on black paper with a white colored pencil. Have fun, guys.